Welcome back to YouTube channel Target Challenger. Today we will discuss about the important topic for mains examination. Now, topic is plate tectonic and the question is explain plate tectonic and its different types. How it is different from continental drift theory. Now, answer is a tectonic plate is a massive irregularly shaped slab of solid rocks generally composed of both continental and oceanic lithosphere that is crust and uppermost of the solid mantle. Plate moves horizontally over asthenosphere, highly viscous semi-molten regions of upper mantle of Earth as a rigid units. Now see the figures which is shown in the middle of the answers. As we know that there is the three layer of the earth crust. So at first at first in the middle core, then mantle and the lithosphere, and the uppermost part of the earth is crust. The theory of plates tectonic proposed that the earth lithosphere is divided into the seven major and several minor plates. The movement of plates results in the buildings of the stresses, with the plates which loads in folding up the stresses within the plates, which leads to folding, floating, and volcanic activities. The major plates are surrounded by the fold mountains, ridges, trenches, and faults. This theory was proposed by the Mackenzies, Parkers, and also Morgan in 1967. This theory is based on the two principles hypothesis. सबसे पहला first one is conventional current hypothesis and second one is sea floor spreading. Now it is an improvement over the Wegeners continental drift theory. At first we know that in these figures we conclude that in the middle's inner and outer core, now mental layers, and the lastly, or we can say that in the upper most part is lithospheres, trenches, ridges, and the slab pulse activities acts on that places. Boundaries of plates. The movement of the tectonic plates creates three type of tectonic plates are. First one is convergent plates boundaries. As we know that a convergent plates boundaries to formed when tectonic plates crashes with each other, as shown in the following figures. Plate 1 and plate 2 converge to each other. That means both plates are converged to each other, so it forms convergent plates boundaries. Now second one is divergent plates. A divergent plates boundary is formed by tectonic plates pulling apart from each others. As we know that plate 1 and plate 2 diverge to each other, that means divergent plates boundaries will be formed. Now third point is transform plates boundaries. It is formed as tectonic plates slides horizontally apart from each other, as shown in the following figures. Plate 1 and plate 2 horizontally slides part of each other. Now we will discuss about the significance of plates tectonic. Almost all major landforms are formed are due to the plate tectonic. New minerals are thrown up from the core and the mantle eruptions. From present knowledge of the landforms, crust plates movements, the shape of the land masses of future can be predicted. Plate tectonics theories explains why there is a lot of volcanoes in Iceland and Japan, but fewer in Russia and Africa. It is because Iceland was erected, or we can say created, by a mid-oceanic ridge. The concept of plate tectonic aids in the interpretations of landforms etc. Most important things is basic difference between the continental drift theory and plate tectonic. First one is, at first you have to make the column. Column 1, continental drift theory, and column 2, plate tectonic, as we discuss below. First one is, it explains the movement of continental only, and second one is, it driving force for movement, centrifugal force and tidal force. In plate tectonic, first one is, it talks about the movement of both continental and oceans. Now second one is, it is the proposed heat energy inside earth. Third one is, it does not explain about volcanoes. It explains about the formation of volcanoes, formation of mechanisms. Now fourth one is, it gives jigsaw fit fossils climate change as evidence. Then in plate tectonics, it depends on the earthquakes and ocean floor spreading. So today's we will discuss about plate tectonics. I have read this topic. Now next video I will upload it. If you likes my video, then share, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for giving me opportunities.